Hey there, design enthusiast. Welcome back to PPP Designer. In today's video, we are going to dive into creative dashboard navigation animation in Figma. Sounds rhyming? That's cool, right? Whether you are designing for a mobile app or a web dashboard, smooth and intuitive navigation is a key to a great user experience. I'm going to show you some cool tips and tricks to make your dashboard animation look seamless and professional. So grab your Figma file and let's get those dashboard into moving. Hey guys, we are going to create something beautiful in this navigation bar, dashboard navigation bar. This is how we're gonna while hovering, user can see the name of that particular icon depicted in the navigation bar. So let's get started. So guys, I have already created all those components and make it ready for you. I don't want to spoil your time and recreating each and every single icons and the boxes, all these books, like all these tags and all these frames. So that's why I have already created, and this is good to go for now. And let's see what else we are gonna create. The same interface, the same UI animation, whatever I have shown to you in the first part, we're gonna create that particular part in this video. So just see what are the things I'm gonna make it over here. So I have already distinguished this gray section of icons and black section of icons. Let's make all those icons in a single multiple component set. So these two, gray and black, after clicking or hovering, user gonna get this particular thing. So make a component set, move it a little bit further. Don't forget to name the component, or else you're gonna confuse yourself at the end. So it's very easy and very quick process to make it happen. So instead of component 1, component 2, just name it. If it's book, then name it book, or else just don't go with any individual random names or default names. That's quite confusing. So yes, and this is last one is bookmark. Let's make this component. I have created this one is completely dummy. Don't go through it's maybe something else gonna present over here. Maybe not profile is not there in the navigation bar. Maybe something else gonna happen. So you can place those icons and just play around with those names and all those animations over here. So I have made this particular component set. Let's go with the prototype flow. I'm connecting this to this with hover while hovering, and it's smart animation, and I gonna don't let it for so long. I just gonna have it for 100 millisecond. That will be better. Similarly, I gonna connect every single thing, like while hovering, smart animation 100, cool, same process. While hovering, smart animation 100, cool. While hovering, smart animation 100, same as while hovering, smart animation 100, cool. So now the main catch is, like, after hovering this icon gonna appear, but at the same time this is gonna also appear, the name of that particular icon. So this is a beautiful catch. Till then you can just guess what I'm gonna do. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, not an issue. If you answered, just answer down in the comment section. I'll just check it out. Okay, so then you have to link this colored icon, activate icon, to the dashboard, and don't go with one click or while hovering. Don't go with on click or on drag, just go with while hovering. But navigate to, instead of that, go with open overlay. Just drag this shadow. This is the ghost of dashboard tag. That's why it's a open overlay. So I just have to place it having a little gap from the main icon. Okay, and manual flow, yes, that's cool. And now it's done. Okay, let's do same for each and everything. And while hovering, Smart animation, sorry, navigate to, instead of navigate to, while just drag it and drop the ghost tag. Similarly over here, while hovering, overlay, drag it and drop the ghost little bit further from the main icon, activated icon. Similarly over here, same process you're gonna repeat for all those icons. If there is very less icon over here, I know, but in real life you're gonna play around with navigation bar having 10 to 15 icons. That is gonna crazy for you. I hope you're gonna handle that beautifully after knowing all this animation, whatever I am letting you know. So yes, similarly, open overlay. Cool, now it's done. Let's drag all those components. Okay, I have few components already created, but for you I have done it again. I'm removing all those old look. I also need to practice for the video whatever I'm making for you. So initially the dashboard is in the top. Let's place it in the top. Okay, then book, then notification, then bookmark, then profile. Cool. We have to place all those icons inside this particular thing. So instead of that, I'm gonna do one thing. Let's select all those, go to this auto layout, not auto layout, just make it aligned properly, gapping properly, and reduces to 24. Cool. And auto layout having a gap of 16 and 8. It's not fixed, just width is a content. Give it a feel. Cool. Let's place all those icons in between middle area. Okay, cool. Let's width make it 80. Okay, and rounded make it 100. Cool. Okay, nice. It's well placed, I think so. Make it 8. Cool. Now I have to do one catch over here. I have to create another frame with having same height. Okay, same height, but the width is different. Okay, but I will keep the fill transparent over here. I'm gonna put the first frame inside this. Now it's properly aligned because I need the text, this particular text, in the right hand side of the screen. So now it's ready. Let's give it a shot. If everything goes correctly, then definitely it's gonna happen properly. Yes. Okay, cool. Now one thing, I have to showcase every background, this particular background. So for that I will jump to the prototype part and make the screen, instead of so much white, I'm gonna make it a little bit off. Yes, now you're gonna see how beautifully I have created. Similarly, you can create multiple things over here and depict yourself in a better way, right? So you're gonna love this one. And that's a wrap on our dashboard navigation animation tutorial. I hope you found these tips helpful and are excited to implement them in our upcoming project, in your upcoming project, not me. You have to do it. If you enjoy this video, please hit the like button, Subscribe to Triple P Designers for more awesome design tutorials and drop a comment. Don't forget, bro. Please do